Agilent Technologies, being the largest test and measurement vendor in the world, has invested more money into research and development than any other firm. And in oscilloscopes, we have really doubled our efforts over many years now to make sure that we bring you the solutions that you desire. The 90000X series is the highest performance oscilloscopes in the world. It has the highest analog bandwidth of any oscilloscope on the market.
The 2000 and 3000X series of oscilloscopes leverage expertise learned in developing the 90000X series to produce class-leading performance at an attractive price point.
We're very excited about the launch of the new 2000 and 3000X series products, a family of 26 model numbers from 70 megahertz to 500 megahertz, so there's something for everyone. The new 2000X series is an ideal product family for education for several reasons. First and foremost, it leverages all of the advanced technology from the new 3000X series of products at a very affordable price point, beginning at just over $1,200. These products feature a large 8.5-inch widescreen display for very easy signal viewing and sharing among multiple students at a laboratory workbench. For R&D engineers and hobbyists with limited budgets, the new 2000X series provides a great tool for basic troubleshooting and debug measurements. They feature waveform update rates that are 250 times faster than those of the competition, and the optional MSO and function generator means that you can make more measurements than you could with previous generations of products. Of course, the upgradability for the function generator, for the MSO, even for the bandwidth, means that these products can move with you over time as your measurement needs evolve. Now, for R&D engineers who need more performance, the new 3000X series provides a fantastic tool for making their measurements. With waveform update rates of over 1 million updates per second, these scopes maximize the likelihood that you will catch all of the events of interest and see all of the signal details. The hardware-assisted protocol decode and analysis means that you can make the most advanced measurements you need with these products.
Let Agilent help you grow with its class-leading technology and products.
Agilent will continue to invest in oscilloscopes and other test and measurement products to bring you the world's leading products. And I think you'll be very excited to partner with us for many years to come.
To learn more about this exciting family of oscilloscopes, go to www.agilent.com/find/Agilent X-series. Agilent Technologies, the world's premier measurement company.